Good morning, guys. So this morning, the first video that I'm going to be showing you is the work that's going to be handed out today for the different grade levels. If you guys can get down to one of the meal pickups, that's where you're going to be able to get your hands on a hard copy of the learning menu boards that are being put out for 4th grade. If you can't, these will be posted on the website starting today. I'm not really sure what time that'll be, but these will be posted on oswego.org under the red banner as well. So for the week 1 learning board, there's 12 different boxes on the paper, and the top says complete as many as you can each week. We're also asking that students read a minimum of 20 minutes independent reading time each day. That can be any book of their choosing, but we're really trying to keep up with those reading skills during this break. So if we look at the first couple boxes here, the first one says, interview a family member and ask them 10 questions about a historic experience they remember from their lives. So any kind of event that an adult in your house can remember, you're just going to ask them 10 questions about it. If you have a notebook sitting around anywhere at home, even just a one-subject notebook, that would be a really good resource to be able to do a lot of these activities so that you have them all in one place. If you don't have a notebook, any kind of paper, or if you go through your take-home folder, maybe you can find some papers that have a blank back on them, and you can just use the blank backs of some of the work that's been sent home. The second one's one of my favorites. It says, pick one of your favorite activities. Could be riding a skateboard, baking brownies, anything. And you're going to write a procedural paragraph explaining step by step how to complete that activity for someone else to follow. So once you write your steps, sometimes it's really fun to read them out one by one and have the person try to do it step by step and see if they actually end up doing what you wanted them to be able to learn. That one's a pretty funny one that we usually do in class in the spring. Draw a comic strip showing the stages of how to properly wash your hands. Make a nature journal for the week. Each day of the week you can go outside and write down some things you notice and a description of them and draw some little illustrations of what you find. So those are just the first 4 boxes. They're all pretty self-explanatory. If there's any that you do have a question on, feel free to send me an email to clarify what they are. And again, this is what the 4th graders across the whole district in Oswego are going to be getting. It's all going to be the same for all 4th graders. So have some fun with it. Okay, I'll be coming back on a little bit later to read the 2nd chapter of Freckle Juice. Thanks.